walking away from the car.
Uh-huh.
So we'll have to come all the way down.
Have a bird. A lot of bird. I'm in the jungle now with the bird. I'm walking in around. A lot of bird in here, baby. The bird is happy. Naglalakad na kami pa-around in here in the historical park in Pulaski. I don't know kung saan to papunta. Kung saan to papunta. Yan. Kalasangan na dito, daghan ng mga ibon. Have a people over there. I saw you. Yeah. That is my adventures for today, my vlog. Thank you for watching to all my viewers sa aking adventure dito maglalakad. Naglalakad. Yan. Beside the river of the Savannah River, over here, in the, that is the river is have a big boat to come from the other country. Savannah River. It's a river going to the ocean. It's a map. Yeah, map. Look. Here, the Philippines. Going here. Oh, it's nice here. Have ocean. Ocean deep. Bicycle is not allowed here. Okay, I'm here in the river right now. so pretty. The nice view. Uh-huh. Coming there in the boat. It's not coming here the boat because uh-huh. If he coming the boat in here, but it's very low in there.
Well, I don't know why they would have those rings there unless they did something with them. I don't know.
Interesting.
What those rings are. Now, these are milestones here. These could have been here.
The nice yeah, that is the nice place in here. It's going to the
Those look like they came from Europe.
yeah, oh, swimming in the boat in swimming in the water in there. If the summertime, it's valid to swimming to summertime in here. No.
Shoreline's closed, no pedestrian.
This is the interesting place is relaxing. Then
But you can come out here and sit.
sit down in her. Then watching like the overtime the time like that. It's a river where from? Savannah. There is a boat is going there, going over. Oh, oh my God. Going here. Don't have boat today.
He thinks it's a big.
Start walking. Ah, there is going the parking lot over there. Oh, I see it.
Business center that way.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's go down here to the Temple Mosque, the Wesley Memorial.
Okay.
Oh, the picnic area is that way.
Ah, the picnic is here. How about over there?
Yeah, that's where the car is over there. Let's go down to the car. South Palmetto.
It's walking, walking around.
That might be peanut from there. That's a peanut from there.
That is your walk before that is going inside.
Oh, this is the,
Uh-huh.
this is the Wesley Memorial.
Oh, that is memorial.
He landed here in 36.
This is cemetery?
No, this is just where he landed.
Ah, I think it's cemetery because of a cruise.
From his journal it says, Friday the 6th, about 8 in the morning, I first set foot on American ground. There was a small uninhabited island over against Tidy called by the English Keeper Island. Mr. Oglethorpe led us through the moors and the shore to the rising ground. He chose an open place surrounded by myrtles, bays, and cedars, which sheltered us both from sun and wind, and called our little flock together to prayer. Okay.
Have one interesting hair thing. I don't know what hair, but I try to go in here. What kind of interesting in hair? Have like this? Oh, interesting. Like this in the historical part. I think this is the person. Kulongin dito ang tao. I'm going up. I'm going up. That is mine only. My thinking. Oh, interesting. That is. Then look around. Ah. Then see in the ocean depth. Wow, nice place, relaxing in here with the jungle around. Is a lot of bird. Jungle. Then there are the Savannah River over here, and going there in the ocean part. Okay. I'm tired of walking, but interesting. That is the interesting part. Immediate and the yacht is in. Oh, like that. My experience is going here. For what here?
It's where they watch for mines.
Ah,
Yeah.
is what is have a coming in here like
Yeah.
that.